The first step is to simply open CapCut on your computer, and then we're gonna have to simply click on this microphone icon which says voiceover. And then once we do that, as you can see, we have here the voiceover. We can simply drag this. Then from here, we're gonna be able to select our microphone. So here we have the input device. We can click on that and select any available microphones. We can change the volume. So if you want to increase that, you can do that, but don't worry, we can edit the voice later. Now here we have other options. So we can enable echo reduction, mute project, enhance voice, etc. So in order to start the recording, you're gonna have to simply press on this red button, and then a countdown will start, and after that you can simply start talking. And if you want to stop the recording, you're gonna have to click again on the red button. Now once you do that, we're gonna have our voiceover in our project. As you can see, already have recorded one. So we can simply click on that and we can start editing it. So we can cut out different parts, and we can also change the volume. We can basically normalize the loudness. We can enhance the voice, and we can play around with the settings. We can change the speed if you want from here. We can change the voice, how it sounds from here, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.